Hey there folks, I'm excited to kick off this new video series that we're aptly calling Temu Haul. This is going to be the first video and I'm bringing in product from Temu to unbox here so we can check this out together. Full disclosure, I am a Temu affiliate and this product came in for free. I didn't have to pay for this. However, I was able to pick out which products I want to bring in for this Temu Haul series. So this is the first package I've got here. Let's go ahead and unbox. Also, if you're new here, my name is Adrian. I'm a tech enthusiast and I love everything related to tech. I do a lot of tech reviews and unboxings such as this one on this channel. So consider subscribing. All right, let's go ahead and get into this package. Now in this haul, I picked out 3 products that I'm pretty excited to check out here. Oh, nice. We get a little Temu bag here. That'll come in handy. The first product we're going to be unboxing here is this portable vacuum cleaner. Now, I was looking forward to using this for my desktop here. As you can tell, it is a felt desktop here, and oftentimes it does get dusty, or I'll get like just various things that might get on the top of this, and a small vacuum cleaner like this is exactly what I would need to be able to take care of those type of issues, in addition to my vehicle where there's often small little nooks and crannies. So I was looking forward to using this vacuum here to be able to handle that as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we get inside. Here's the main chamber here. Here is the unit itself. You've got the power button down here. You've got the charging port here at the bottom. And that is pretty much it for this unit. And then we've got all the different attachments for this vacuum cleaner, including this little filter here. And we also get the charging cable, which is USB type A to DC barrel. And then, of course, you get your instructions here. So let's go ahead and assemble this real quick here. The filter just pops in right here. Now that's key to be able to keep the vacuum, keep it from getting clogged up. So now that we've got the filter in place, now we can take this piece and lock it right into place. And this is pretty much assembled and ready to go here. So to be able to demonstrate the suction power of this, it's going to be a little difficult on camera, but let's see. Oh yeah, this definitely has very good suction power. As I said, it's a little difficult to demonstrate here, but it definitely does have some suction power here. So here's some different attachments you can use. Now, in terms of different speeds, it looks like it's only one speed. So as soon as you turn it on, it's good to go. So here's another attachment here. Oh, actually, you would put this one there, and then this one would go there. And now you have this little brush. And then you also get these other attachments here. Now here is one of the cool things about this vacuum, is that not only is it a vacuum, if you notice here, okay, so it sucks in this way, which means that the air comes out this way. So now using these attachments, effectively, now we've got a duster. Now that is very cool. And for this end here, there's several different attachments depending on what you might need. So a more concentrated duster there. We also get this larger one here. So it gives you a larger hole there to be able to blow at a wider angle. Personally, I like this one the best. So I suppose you can take this off to allow this to fully pull in air. And there you go there. This is very cool. So not only do you get a very usable vacuum, you're also getting a blower. Very, very cool. All right, folks, let's get into the next product here. All right, this next product is for those of you that are in the Apple ecosystem, where you have an Apple Watch, a iPhone, as well as AirPods, which I am in the Apple ecosystem and I own all three. This is a charger that you can put bedside so that when you go to bed, you can charge your phone, your watch, as well as your AirPods all at the same time. So it's a 5-in-1. Let's check it out. All right, so we get instructions here. We get a charging cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C. That's something that I like to see because Type-C is the standard nowadays. And here it is here. Got a little sticker here. Let's go and pull that off. Looks like there's a film here. All right. And there we go there. Let's go ahead and get this guy plugged in, see what it looks like. Okay, so on the back, we've got a USB Type-A, USB Type-C. So you got two choices there. Let's go ahead and get it plugged in. All right, so we got a green indicator light and it just turned red, which I'm assuming means that it's not charging at the moment. Let's go ahead and take my iPhone here. There it is there. You can see that it automatically starts charging right away. So if you turn it sideways, now you get the widgets that pop up. That is very cool. So that's charging at the moment. Now I'm going to throw my watch on here. And immediately it begins to charge. So very cool there. And it also has a night light underneath. So let me go ahead and turn down the light here. So you have 1, 2, 3 different intensities. And then the pad for the AirPods is here. So let me grab my AirPods here. Now you can see here the AirPods begin to charge there. We throw our phone on. That begins to charge here. And the watch is charging here. So all three pieces are now charging simultaneously. So the next product we're going to be unboxing here is the 3-in-1 tape measure. So if you're somebody that, needs a little help to figure out exactly how to measure something or how to read a tape measure, this has an integrated laser to be able to help with that. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so here is the tape measure. Size-wise, it's about the same size as a standard tape measure. Let's see what else we get in the box. We get a Phillips screwdriver and an instruction manual. Up on top here, you can see it has an LCD display. Here on the side, you have different buttons, one to turn it on and to measure, and then different buttons to change. For instance, the unit of measure, to control the laser, and also to turn it off. And then in addition, you've got the standard tape measure integrated right here. What's kind of cool about this is that it automatically locks, and then you use this button here to retract it. You also get the belt buckle here and a little lanyard here. Now, because it is electronic, it does have this little door here with the Phillips screw here, which that's what the screwdriver is for. So it looks like it doesn't come with a battery. Let's take a look. It does not. So it uses 2 AAA batteries. Let me go ahead and grab some batteries and get those put in. All right, I got some AAA batteries here, so let's go ahead and get these installed so we can test out this measuring tape. All right, we're good to go there. Okay, now that is nice. The LCD display is backlit, so you'll be able to see this in the dark. It gives you the battery meter reading here. All right, so let's see if we can take a measurement. Okay, so after playing with this for a little bit here, looks like what you need to do to be able to use the laser is you just turn it on here. So that turns the unit on, and then you press the button here, which is what turns on the laser. And now to take a measurement, you press the on button again. So I'm just going to put my hand here, and there we go there. It measured at 0.388 meters. I'm very impressed with this tape measurer. And I actually misspoke. I thought this was a flashlight here, but it's actually part of the laser measuring system. So it does not have an integrated flashlight. Not a big deal there, but definitely very impressive, being that you can use this as a standard measuring tape and has different units of measure here to be able to help you easily measure things either in meters or in feet or inches. And in addition to that, you also get the laser measurement tool integrated with this backlit LCD. So definitely a very, very cool product. So there you have it, folks. That is our first Temu haul video in this series. We're going to be having more of these. Let me know which of the 3 products that we unboxed today is something that interests you. If it's all 3 or 1 or 2 of the 3, let me know in the comments. Also, the links to all of the products are going to be in the description. They are affiliate links, which means that I make a small commission to support the channel if you do use the links to buy these products. However, that doesn't change your price. So definitely, if you want to support this channel, consider using the links in the description. With that being said, I'll see you on the next one.